How to turn off notifications on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, it is GuideHacks, and in this video I will show you how to turn off notifications on WhatsApp. Now let's get started. First we need to open our WhatsApp app. Then we should click on option settings at the right corner at the bottom. Here we need to find option notifications and tap on it as well. Now we can switch off option show notifications for message notifications at the top. Below we can switch off option show notifications for group messages. Also we can tap on in-app notifications and choose here alert style, for example banners, alerts or none. And we can turn off sounds and vibrate as well. If you want to turn off notifications previews, just switch off option show previews. And that's all. It was how to turn off notifications on WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we would appreciate if you subscribe to our GuideHacks channel.